Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Ritika here. Hi. So today I have a surprise for you all. So you have to go through the video to know the surprise, to reveal the surprise, and for yourself. And if you are an old subscriber, you probably know what it is. So, and if you are new here, so hi, welcome, and subscribe. um, Plus, I do have a coupon code with them, which is Ritika SC10 for 10% off. So, if you are interested, you can of course use the code for your own benefit. And yeah, and there is this makeup look which looks like अपन का भारत का झंडा. If you are interested in knowing how I created this makeup look, keep on watching. Okay, so I got my first PR from a very good brand, which is this. It's the Dot and Key, and I'm pretty sure that you guys already know what Dot and Key is. It's an skincare brand, well-known skincare brand, and it's a very good skincare brand. I don't have to like brag about it and like too much because it's a very good skincare brand. Okay, so they actually sent me this box which contains 3 products. One is this one, which is the most important. Plus, I actually wanted to buy a product similar to this, but by God's grace, I got one, and I'm very happy that it's my first PR. So, of course, with a very good brand, very like, because it's a very beautiful feeling when you get your PR from a well-known brand, and when it approaches you first. So yeah, okay, so the first product is this one. It's the Dot and Key spot corrector. It contains 10% of niacinamide, and the packaging is absolute beautiful, so soothing to the eyes, and the color is very soothing. Okay, so this opens like this, like a book, and this is the product, which is beautiful again, and it contains 30 ml of product. Okay, so this is the product. It's the, of course, spot corrector. Basically what it does is it actually lighten up these spots, the zit marks you have on your face, or any kind of like pigmentation. So they actually, as you can see, my face is very fair, and and these spots are like quite visible on the skin. So the this product actually lightens it up. They probably saw my marks from there, so you can clearly say that my marks are quite visible even from that distance. So that's very kind of them that they sent this product, and I actually started using this from yesterday because I got the PR day before yesterday. So yeah, it's for skincare, you have to be patient, you have to wait, you have to try it on for a very long time. Plus my skin is very plus my skin is very transparent. If my skin doesn't like anything or have a problem with a certain stuff, it reacts immediately. Like, it is going to, my skin is going to itch, or it is going to burn or something like that. So the reaction is like on the spot, turant hota hai. And yeah, this product has nothing, so it's a big year that my skin doesn't react on the first try. So I'm gonna keep trying this out, and if this works, of course you want to see these boys no more, you're gonna say bye bye to them. So yeah, okay, now I'm gonna quickly round it up. The next 2 products are these two. One is the Dot and Key skincare 72-hour hydrating gel, this one, and another one is the glow sleeping mask. So this one is I'm gonna use this one today under my makeup. So, plus this product claims that you can use this under your makeup. So if it works, and if it actually works, I'll be very happy, because I'm looking for for a very long time I was on a hunt. I was on the hunt of a good moisturizer. So this one, and the packaging is absolute cute, very cute. I love the packaging. I love the outer packaging as well as the inner packaging. Both are very cute. Okay, कहानियाँ समाप्त करते हुए I'm gonna use this moisturizer. Just told you, so I'm just going to put this all over my face. Plus it does have fragrance, like very light, not too strong, very light fragrance, mild fragrance. Okay, so this product gives a very cooling effect. As soon as I dotted my face now, I felt like I put ice cubes on my face. It is that good. Okay, now for the primer, again these two. One to control my sweat. If you have watched my previous video, you would know that why I use two primers. So one, the Fit Me Poreless matte primer is to control my sweat. Actually what matte primers does is that they mattifies your face, which blocks the sweat. So yeah, and this one, Nykaa one, is for, you know, the smooth base for your makeup on my upper lip and on my nose, because I only get sweaty over here. And now this one, the Nykaa one, for the face. It's a pore filling primer, so make sure that you tap it. Make sure you tap all your products, because dragging would actually, you know, may loosen up your skin too. Not today, not tomorrow, but in a long term race it is going to do that. So make sure that you are tapping your primer, and tapping a poreless primer, tapping a pore filling primer is important, because you are just pushing the product in your skin, in your pores. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna contour first. So for that I'm gonna use this one. It's the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast. I'm just putting it over here. Some on my nose, not too much, because last time I just put a like spoon amount of contour on my nose. Then I struggled a lot and it sucked. So yeah. Okay, now for the brush I'm using this one. It's the Wet n Wild P50 brush, and I'm just, what I do for contouring is that I push the product in my hairline and then I push the product up. So what it actually does is that it mixes up with your blush. Same over here, I push the product little bit like down, because I have to, you know, cut short my forehead, because it's not a forehead, it's a 5 finger head or something like that, because it's okay. So why I contour my face first is that, because eventually if you mess up, the foundation is gonna cover for your fault, you know. Okay, now to blend my foundation I'm using this sponge. It's from Calabar and it's my absolute favorite sponge. Okay, the foundation is actually sitting well on the moisturizer. So okay, now for the concealers I'm gonna use these two. Maybelline again, Fit Me One. What's new? First, it's the shade medium for covering these color ghere, and then the shade light to lighten up, highlighting up, followed by other things. The brush is this one. It's the Zoeva concealer buffing brush, and first I'm gonna like tap the concealer in my skin, then I'm just gonna drag it. Okay, now I'm gonna use a liquid blush because I'm gonna use a liquid blush first before powdering my face, because liquid products sit well with the liquid products rather than the blush powder ones, because the powder ones eventually cracks up or patches up. So yeah, so I'm using this one. It's the Nykaa lip and cheek color in the shade 04 Henna. So yeah, just go overboard with it. Okay, so if you find this too much, let me clear you one thing, that first blush fades away with time, no time, and second we are gonna powder our face, so of course everything will look normal. Okay, so this one is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's in the shade 220 Natural Beige, and for powdering my face I'm gonna use this brush. It's the Swiss Beauty compact brush, and I'm very happy that Swiss Beauty is finally having their brushes too, because personally I love Swiss Beauty as a brand and they are quite amazing. Like, they bought, every time I type Swiss Beauty on Nykaa, there's always a new launch, always. Like right now they have their clay mask or something like that. Yeah, it's always something new on Swiss Beauty. They are very attentive, plus they are always bringing new products in the market 24/7. This is my favorite powder brush, like actual favorite. Okay, now for my under eyes I'm using this one. It's the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Light, and I'm using this blender again. Okay, now for the eyes I'm using this palette. It's the Makeup Revolution palette, and I love this palette. It's a very colorful, beautiful palette. The only drawback with this palette is that some colors don't perform and some colors perform way too well. So yeah, so for my crease I'm gonna use this yellow shade. It's the Vitamin C shade, and I'm using this brush. It's the Nykaa eyeshadow brush, and I'm taking this shade. Okay, now I'm taking this shade, Yes Peaches, this one, on my this brush. It's the Zoeva Smoky brush, and I'm just gonna put it all over my lid. Okay, so by fault I forgot to film that what shade I put on my lid, which is the shade, this one. It's the shade Yes Peaches on my lid, topping off with the shade Miss Tropicana, which is the cousin of that shade. Yeah, to make it more orangey and stuff. And yes, this brush is from Zoeva. It's the Smoky Shader brush. So I'm sorry. Okay, so we are gonna come to our upper eye really soon, but for now, for the lower lashes, I'm gonna take this shade, which barely, which is barely visible. I'm gonna use it for just some color or stuff. So which is the shade Green Juice, a beautiful grass green color. Yeah, and I'm using this brush. It's the Nykaa eyeshadow brush. So I'm just gonna put this on my lower lash line. Okay, now to make the green more dikhne wala, so I'm gonna use this shade called Trendsetter on my this brush. It's the Savannah color brush, and I'm gonna use this side of the brush, which is the eyeshadow side of the brush, which is very pointed. So I'm gonna take this shade on the pointed side of the brush, like on the top, and I'm just gonna dust it off, and I'm gonna put it very close to my lash line. Okay, coming back to our upper lid, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. It's from Swiss Beauty and it's in the shade, the palette number is 01. I love these palettes. These palettes came in two variant or comes in two variant. I have both of them and I'm gonna use this shade because I'm gonna put this shade on top of that orange shade. There is no shadow as good and as pigmented as this one, because trust me, I own the Huda Beauty shadows too, but these shimmers are like something else, something else. So buttery, so soft and so easy to, you know, blend. They have my heart. Okay, now I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and for eyeliner I'm gonna use this one. It's the Lakme Insta Gel Liner. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyeliner off the camera because eyeliner requires way too much focus, concentration, and it's a gel liner, so I don't want to take any risk. So I'm gonna do it off the camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have to do my other eye also. So I did my other eye, done with the wing liner, highlighted my inner corners. I highlighted my inner corners with this shade. It's called Shimmering. It's a white shade, white shimmering shade. So yeah, I highlighted my inner corners and we are almost done with the eyes. Just last two steps. Okay, so I'm gonna tightline my lower lash line with this pencil. It's the PAC Kohl pencil in the shade Skin. Okay, so this is our eyes. If I have managed to put blue now, my eyes would have probably end up looking like a Bharat ka jhanda, but for now this is it, no blue. Now moving to the eyebrows, moving on to the eyebrows, I'm using this eyebrow pencil from L'Oreal and I'm just gonna first use its comb. I'm gonna first use its spoolie to brush my brow here, and then I'm gonna fill in with the pencil. It's in the shade Ebony, I guess. I don't remember, so I'll just put the shade name below with the link, of course. All the link of the products are below in the DB. Okay, so I'm gonna bronze my face again because the blush is cute but too much, of course. For that I'm gonna use this palette from Sugar. It's the Sugar face palette. It's in the shade Contour de Force palette. It's in the shade 01 Subtle Summit, and I'm gonna use this bronzer. It's a very very beautiful and very pigmented bronzer, so be careful. And I'm using this brush. It's the Zoeva face curve brush, so I'm just slightly gonna with a very light hand gonna bronze, not too much because I don't like too much of bronzing also. Okay, now for the highlighter, I'm using this highlighter, which is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, which is my all-time favorite highlighter. I'm using this brush. It's the Wet n Wild P77 brush, which is a very beautiful brush. So I'm just taking my, it's a tapered brush, I guess. I'm just okay. Now for the lipstick, I thought of using a pink lipstick, but then I ended up bringing this one, which is a nude. It's the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade, I guess, Trendsetter. Yeah, it's in the shade Trendsetter. So I'm just gonna put this all over my lips. Okay, now for the mascara, I'm using this mascara. It's from Maybelline. It's the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. And to curl my lashes, this one, this eyelash curler is from Shein. So I'm just gonna first curl my lashes and then put the mascara. Okay, now so our makeup is done. Now just to set our face, I'm gonna use this one. It's the Makeup Revolution setting spray. Okay, so I changed my lipstick again because I was not liking that shade because it was too nude. So I mixed it up with the shade Dilli from the Nykaa's Matte to Last range. I guess that's the name of that range. So yeah, I changed it with that shade, and then there is a mix of this Transitor and the shade Dilli. So this is the lip color, which is pinky nude, which I'm liking right now. So yeah, so this is the final look, and I hope you to see you guys next time. Until then, bye, take care, don't go out, be safe. Yeah, bye.